Yeah, the most things that I cut with it is and has been wood, plexiglass, so 3mm plexiglass, which works really well. I haven't tried any other things too much, but I'm gonna try leather. I wanted to see how that goes, but yeah, mostly I'm doing the 3mm plexiglass, and that works out well for me. It's like sturdy enough and all of that stuff. That was more a thing to highlight something translucent, yet they needed to use green screen, so they wanted a material that was not super translucent, which you can easily do with other materials, but that's why I chose for a smoky purple. So the green screen behind the thing would not shine through, because in their game everything is green screen, and if it would shine through, they would have a hard time editing it out, sort of, you know. So the smoky plexiglass worked really well. So that's kind of, it's not mechanical or robotic, but it was definitely like a sort of an innovation into work together with a green screen. Then we have the pangolin dress, in where these the pieces needed to withstand the motors that they were on and the lights that were embedded on there. So they had a certain weight to it. They also needed to be like light. That's why I made a little bit of cutout, sort of, you know, so that they were light enough to, first of all, be worn, and second of all, to be used with the servo motors. So the first one was more for the visual, the aesthetic, and the green screen. The second one, pangolin dress, was based on the weight and the robotic, sort of, the movement.